Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. We are going to talk about globes and maps today. So we have our Social Studies Weekly that is maps and places. First of all, we're going to talk about globes. Right here, this says globes. Hold on just a minute, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Okay, right here says globes. Okay, it says this is a globe. A globe is a model of Earth. Globes show us where water, land, and different countries are located. So this right here is a globe, okay? Then we're going to talk about maps. And when we come back to school, you will get to see a globe. Mrs. Hensley has a globe, so I will show you the difference between a globe and a map. A globe is a sphere, which kind of looks like a ball, and a map is flat, okay? Maps are drawings of places. Maps can show cities, states, or countries. Maps help people know how to get from one place to another place. So this right here is a map. So we are talking about globes that look kind of like a ball and maps that show us places, how to get from one place to another, and they are flat. That's the difference between globes and maps. Globes is a model of an Earth. So it just shows us where water, land, and different countries are located. But maps can show us cities or states or countries, okay? And they are flat. So let's go on to the next page. Okay, maps and places. U.S. map. U.S. stands for United States. So this right here is a United States map. It says this is a map. It is a drawing of a real place. The USA, right here, the USA, which stands for United States of America. So this is the United States of America map, USA map. Maps are flat. Where on the map is Oklahoma? Right here, Oklahoma. Look at its shape. So Mrs. Hensley is going to get a different color here, and this right here is Oklahoma. Okay, it kind of looks like a pan. It's this shape right here. Okay, this shape right here. It kind of looks like a pan. Here is the handle of the pan, and here is where you would put food in to cook it. Now, it isn't flat though like a pan is on the bottom, is it? So, but this up here looks like a pan. That's the shape of Oklahoma. So when you see that on a map, you'll know that that is Oklahoma. Okay, it looks kind of like a pan. Okay, then we have land and water. Look at the map and globe. The land is green. So you'll see all of United States here is all green. There's a little bit of blue in here. Okay, it says, can you find, it says the water is blue. So this over here, this over here, this over here. You see little places of water in here, and here, and here. That is all water, okay? But all of the green, and the same here on a globe, all of the green here is land, and all of the blue is water, okay? So it says, can you find where the land is? So you know all the land is green, and all the water is blue. It says, point to the land. So the land is all here, isn't it? All of this is land. And there's a little bit of water mixed into it. And all of this right here is land. But then it says point to the water. So we know this is the water. Everywhere that's blue is the water. Okay, this right here is land because it's green. And this right here is land because it's green. Okay, but all the land is green and all the water is blue. Okay, it says maps are smaller. Maps are smaller than the things they show. A map of the whole United States or U.S. can fit on one page. So the United States can fit on one page of a map. But in real life, in person, all of that land cannot fit on a piece of paper, can it? So it's just a smaller version of the land. It's a model. You know how we have model cars where you can go to the store and buy a car and put it together? That's kind of like this, or even Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels are little bitty cars. They're models, kind of a big car. So that's how this is. Maps are a model and globes are a model. Okay, maps are a model of either cities, states, or the United States, and globes are of countries, the earth. Okay, so it says color Oklahoma. Trace the shape of Oklahoma. Trace the panhandle. This right here is the panhandle. Okay, and color Oklahoma your favorite color. So when you hit the green add response button, this page will be there for you to do along with the next page. So you're going to trace the shape of Oklahoma. Okay, so I might use a different color to trace the shape of Oklahoma. And I'm having a hard time doing it because Mrs. Hensley's using her mouse. You might want to use your stylus. So I traced Oklahoma. And then it says trace the panhandle. So I might trace the panhandle with a different color. This is the panhandle. And then, you know, Mrs. Hensley's favorite color is red. So I would color it all red. And remember, it's easier to color when you've outlined it. Mrs. Hensley's having to do it with her mouse, so she's not being very good at doing it. But you're going to make sure yours is neat with your stylus, okay? Then we're going over here. This is another page that you will do. Make sure you write your name here. If you can, I would like for you to write your first and your last name. It says fill in the blanks. Maps and globes show things blank than they really are. Maps and globes show things smaller, or maps and globes show things bigger. What did Mrs. Hensley say? Maps and globes show things smaller, don't they? Maps and globes show how places look from blank. Do they show how places look from below, or do they show how places look from above? So you might need to go back and read about that. We live in Alabama, Florida, or Georgia. Ooh, they made a mistake because we don't live in any of those, do we? That's sad. So I would just put right here, okay, because okay stands for Oklahoma. Okay, I can't believe they made a mistake. That's why we always have to read to see if it's right or not. They made a big mistake. They put Oklahoma here, but here it's only Alabama, Florida, and Georgia. We do not live in any of those states, do we? Absolutely not. So if you want to go back and look how to spell Oklahoma here, it's right here. You could write Oklahoma. It's also right here. Or you could just write OK. OK is an abbreviation for Oklahoma. I can't believe they made that mistake, and we caught it. We don't live in Alabama, we do not live in Florida, and we do not live in Georgia. Oh my goodness. Crazy maker of the Social Studies Weekly, huh? Okay, then it says color the globe. Color the land on the globe green. Color the water on the globe blue. Okay, so here all the green is land and all the water is blue. So all of this, you're going to see a little bit that's going to be blue. Okay? Hold on just a minute, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Okay. So so if you need to go back and look here on the right here, you can kind of take a look at that and see what is land and what is water, okay? So you can kind of take a look at that to see. Okay, all of this here is going to be land. All of this is land. All of this. This in here, right in here is all going to be water. Okay, all of this is water. So that's going to be blue. All of this is going to be blue. So color it. You might need to outline it. All of this is blue. And then this is going to be green. Now this in here is blue. Right in here. That's blue too. Okay. But all of this here is going to be green. Green, green, green. Okay. Okay. And Mrs. Hensley, I think, is going to just go ahead and put another map on there, so a map of, a globe on there so you can see. Okay, that is all for today. You've completed all of your lessons. If you're at this lesson, I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your Wednesday, and I will see my B group on Thursday, tomorrow, and I will see my A group a week from Monday. Remember, next week is spring break, and I hope you guys have an awesome spring break. I will talk to you soon. I love you and I miss you. Bye, friends.